Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Tuesday, the 6th day of February 2024. And currently, as you can see on your screen, I'm trading Xauusd. So I'm trading gold right now. So I want to quickly give you my entry reasons. Okay. So if you're looking at your screen, you would see that price gave us a beautiful supply zone. So at the top, you can see right here, this is a supply zone. So I had to mark it with two horizontal lines. Alright, so I marked the body alone. You can decide to mark the body and the wick, you understand. So but I mark the body alone, you can see that particular line, the top line, is being respected. Even the first red bar that came in, you can see that the body of the blue bar and the red bar kind of aligned, showing that line is respected. The wick up is just what's it called, more like a grab of liquidity or something like that, you understand. So but the body tells the story. Okay, if you are an SMC trader, you would understand what I just explained. Okay, so I marked the body of the supply zone, and I'm expecting price to come back there. For those that don't know what a supply zone is, a supply zone is a zone where you have a lot of sellers. How do I know that a lot of sellers are there? You can see consecutive aggressive red bars coming in. Okay, red bar, red bar, red bar, red bar, telling us that a lot of selling was done, okay, from that zone. So you simply mark out the last bullish candle before you saw that action of aggressive selling. So that last bullish candle is usually a zone. If you mark the boundary, okay, of the last bullish candle, it's usually the zone where once price comes back into it, you would expect a whole lot of selling to happen again. Okay, so you can see I waited for price to come back to the zone. Price moved up here but did not touch the zone. Price moved up to this point but did not touch the zone. So I continued waiting, and you can see what happened around here. Price came into the zone right here, and you can see the wick even respected that particular zone, showing you that zone is a very strong zone. So I actually missed the point where the price came into the zone. I would have actually bought at that point, I would have sold somewhere here. Alright, I would have sold there, and I didn't keep a pending order. Okay, so price got into the zone without me knowing, because these are 15 minutes candles. Alright, so red bars came in. I entered somewhere here. You can see where my sell order is. Okay, so I sold at this level here. I sold at this particular red bar, this big red bar right here. Okay, but at the time I entered, the red bar was still small. Okay, so I was sent into profit very, very fast, but price came up again, which kind of scared me, because when I entered, I placed my stop loss just above the candle before the candle I entered. This is the candle, okay, which formed before the candle I entered. This is the candle I entered. Alright, so I placed my stop loss above the wick of the candle just before the candle I entered, because I felt price not going to come back there. But price gave me a scare, by retracing in this direction. So when it's retraced, the first thing that came to my mind was that price is coming back to actually retest that that supply zone before going down again. So I was kind of bothered, but there was nothing I could do. I had to just allow the stop loss stay, because it's against practice to shift your stop loss. And based on my entry position, based on my entry position, if I shift my stop loss above the the supply zone, is going to be a big fat stop loss. And if price decides to keep going up and even probably mitigate that zone and go above it, then the stop loss will get hit and I'll be taking a very, very big loss. So I left the stop loss in its original position. It doesn't matter if it hits it, I'll take the loss. Okay, but luckily I escaped because price did not get to where the stop loss is. It's just a little retracement. It's not going back to retest the supply zone. So price continued in downward direction. So I escaped from that. Okay, and right now I'm in a little bit of profits. Let me show you that, about $25. All right, so price is retracing right now, but I have two, I have two positions where I'm looking to take profits. Okay, I have a bigger profit plan and a smaller profit plan. The first profit plan is going to be when price gets to this level. Why? Because this area acted as resistance. Okay, so it's a potential turning point for price, and also I expect price to cover up all these these displacements upwards. I expect price to cover it to the downside. So this is my final profit position just at this point. As you can see, it's right there. I've already placed the bigger take profits. When price gets to this level, this one right here, I'm going to manually take off some of my positions, okay, in order to take partials. That's what I mean. I'll take partials there, then allow the rest run to the bigger profits targets. Okay, so if you've gotten any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next